If you ever happen to receive a type of gift from me, whether it be Christmas or birthday, you better believe it's going to have soap. For my dad, it's no surprise that he gets his own custom bars. He's not a big fan of fancy bars that I make. He prefers a bar that fits in the palm of his hand and it exfoliates. So to make these scrubby, I've added coffee grinds, walnut shell powder, and pumice. So I got this new mold and I wanted to keep the colors fairly natural because the mold is in the shape of a rock. I colored one portion with some green sea clay and another portion with activated charcoal. His preference for fragrance is usually coffee-based. I used a fragrance called Cinnanut Colombian Cafe by Nature's Garden and Candles. It has notes of fresh brewed coffee, cinnamon, butter, Brazil nuts, maple, and vanilla. I believe this pouring method is called the Clyde Slide, but I'm trying to get some striations for this rock shape here. When I saw this mold, I knew it was going to be perfect just for him. I gifted these to him for Christmas, and he's already messaged me and told me how awesome they are and how much he loves them. Every time I've made him soap, I've usually changed up the design. These turned out so well that I think it's just going to be a permanent design just for him. I mean, do they not look just like rocks? My 2-year-old saw them and kept pointing to them and saying rocks. What do you think about the shape and design of this soap? Is it something that I should make and put for sale on the website?